See question number 7. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So here this one is figure. ABCD is a rhombus. AC bisect angle 1 angle A and C. BD bisect angle B and D. We have given only ABCD is a rhombus and AC and BD are the diagonals. So prove that AC bisect angle A as well as angle C and BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. Now take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB equal BC, side of rhombus. Sides of rhombus. We know all sides will be equal. Therefore, angle 2 equal angle 4. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. But angle 1 equal angle 4. These are 1 and 4. These are alternate angles because AD parallel BC and AC is the transversal. Then this angle equal this. These are alternate angle. Alternate angles. Therefore, angle 1 equal angle 2. Therefore, AC bisects angle A. But similarly, angle 1 equal angle 1 equal 4, and take this triangle ADC. Now in triangle ADC, AD equal DC mean sides of rhombus. Therefore, angle 1 equal angle 3. Angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides are equal. And from here 1 equal 4. Here 1 equal 4. We can write an equation 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. And this one is 4. So comparing angle 2 and 4. Here angle 1 equal 4 and 1 equal 3. Angle 2, equation 2 and equation 4 comparing. From equation 2 and 4 we get angle 3 equal angle 4. See here, angle 3 equal angle 4. It means AC bisect angle C. Therefore, AC bisects angle C. Hence we can say AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Similarly, we can prove diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. If you take here angle 5, 6, 7, 8, and similar way you can prove this angle equal this angle, this angle equal this angle. So similarly we can prove BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. So this is question number 7.